I am doing my best, no matter the circumstances.
Hey, hey, hey. Good greetings, everyone. Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are, no matter what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. Whew, I'm finishing up my walk. I just did a little baby hill. And before I went for my walk, a couple guys from the gas company came. And I think one was maybe a trainee. I had such a pleasant experience. So when you raise your vibration, you attract like-minded people. And I just laughed. He said, one of the guys said he was from Jamaica. So I could tell he was very spiritual. He said, are you going to burn some? So I was burning some frankincense. So when he walked in, he was like, oh, it smells so good in here. So he saw my sage. And he said, are you going to burn some sage? I said, no, that's frankincense. So he said, oh, because if you burn sage, I bring in the good energy. So you're going to burn all. He said, nothing's going to work because I bring in the good energy. So you're going to burn it all. Oh, my goodness. I love people with a good sense of humor who make the best of the day and make the best out of life every day in every single way. And so again, that was a very pleasant experience. And I need to do a review. So I'm going to go ahead and, I thought my earring came out. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do my review. And if I can, I may post this video. I didn't ask their names though. They did introduce themselves. So, but I don't remember what they said their names were. Well, actually, when he came in the door, he didn't actually say his name. I can't remember what he said, but it was funny. It was, I don't know. It was something cute and funny. Like, he said my name is I bring in the sunshine or something like, I don't remember. But anyway, it was funny. So I pretty much enjoyed that whole visit. And I'm thankful to, again, people who enjoy life and enjoy interacting with people and make the best of every situation. So I just wanted to share that. As always, love y'all. Later. Mwah, 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 mwah.